Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your time management with FutureLearn, full guide step by step clearly. First, create your FutureLearn account. Visit the FutureLearn website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal details, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password to protect your account. Once registered, log in to your newly created account. Explore the wide range of courses available on the platform. Use the search bar to find courses related to time management. Consider reading course descriptions and reviews to find the best fit for your needs. Enroll in a course that resonates with your goals. After enrolling, take note of the course schedule and milestones. Set a personal timetable that aligns with the course timeline. Utilize FutureLearn's tools for tracking your progress. Check weekly updates to stay informed about upcoming content. Engage with the course community for better support and motivation. Participate in discussions to gain different perspectives on time management. Implement learned techniques into your daily routine. Practice prioritizing tasks using the methods taught in the course. Adjust your schedules based on your productivity patterns. Take frequent breaks to maintain your focus throughout the day. Reflect on your progress regularly to identify areas for improvement. Utilize the resources and additional readings provided within the course. Set specific goals for what you want to achieve in your time management journey. Apply the strategies to both your personal and professional. Monitor your time utilization to recognize any patterns or distractions. Lastly, celebrate your achievements to reinforce positive habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.